Hello, my name is Dr. Laura Schwaluk, and welcome to our two-part series about sugar. This segment is going to be about how sugar causes belly fat, and actually how sugar causes fat all over your body. It just seems like it causes it more in the belly. The real cause of fat around the belly has to do with hormones, and you'll learn about that in another video. In our diagram here, now remember, I'm a doctor, I'm not an artist, okay? So we have our picture of our person, and I just want to describe to you what happens when sugar gets into your system. So you eat some sugar, and what happens is that sugar goes into the bloodstream. The pancreas, this is my rendition of the pancreas here. The pancreas makes insulin that causes the sugar to leave the bloodstream and go to the liver. The liver says, oh, we don't need this right now. We have plenty of glucose or sugar in the bloodstream. Let's send it directly to the fat cells, and I've depicted it here around the body, the fat cells, to send it straight to fat. So that's what happens when you have sugar. Now, not all calories are created equal. Let's talk about oil. What happens when you eat oil? It's very different. What happens is when you eat oil, that oil goes into the digestive tract, then it goes to the liver, and the liver says, gee, you know, I don't need this right now here in the liver. Sometimes it uses it directly for detoxification, so it'll use it for detox. Sometimes it will use it for tissue repair, for cell reproduction, Sometimes it'll use it to get rid of inflammation, to reduce, I'm just going to use an arrow here, reduce inflammation. The body will also use it to protect the nerves. Every nerve that you have has a lining, and that lining is made up of oil, basically. Every nerve has something called a myelin sheath, especially in the brain. So oil is used for all of these things and more. So remember, calories are not all created equal, and in a moment we're going to do an experiment. I'll show you at the kitchen sink exactly what happens when we burn oil as opposed to burning sugar. Just a few more things I'd like to add before we end this video. And regarding the oils really, really help us to have beautiful, healthy skin. Skin that is supple and wrinkle-free, that is not dry or flaky. So if you have some of those issues with your skin, then perhaps you may not be getting enough oil, or your body may not be processing it properly. The other thing also is that oil is excellent lubrication for our joints. Any kind of arthritis, the good oils really help to combat any kind of inflammation. Also, if you are having a sugar craving, one of the things that you can do is just have a little bit of oil. A half a teaspoon of olive oil, coconut oil. It will really help to curb the craving, because the oil is helping your body to provide a fuel source instead of sugar. So these are some of the things that are the differences between regular sugar and good old-fashioned yummy oil. And I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed making it for you. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.